Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you having some trouble sleeping? Then you want to consider this awesome weighted pillow from SleepCloud. This pillow is a 6.5 pound weighted body pillow that really helps me sleep so much better. So I really love that this pillow is body length rather than wide. It's really easy to cuddle with and to hug while you're sleeping, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. It's also nice that you can adjust it, so I can use it right in between my knees if I need it, if I'm having a little bit of knee issue that day. I also really like that the pillow stays heavy throughout, so there's not lumpy parts that thin out, but rather very consistently it stays heavy throughout the whole pillow, showing that they really included enough stuffing to make it last. The cover is removable so that you can wash it if needed, and then you can zip it right back up and have it ready. The pillow is also cooling, so it feels really good while you're sleeping, and it has that nice cooling effect along with the weight that really helps me to have a great night's sleep. There's actually been a little bit of fighting over it because my daughter loves it as well. And overall, this is just a great way to get a good night's sleep. That weight of the pillow is so consistent and it really helps you to feel comforted and relaxed while you're sleeping. But that's just my point of view.